Hello students, welcome to 5th standard English class. I am Suja Darling. I am going to teach about the topic the earth desolated home. Let us start the topic. Students, please watch my previous video, then only you can understand this topic. Okay students? Okay, I read the paragraph first. Listen carefully. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed. Even the water? He said. Of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, Yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which we got easily. Shall I explain this paragraph? Okay, students, listen carefully. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, wherever we get fruits, vegetable, water is not real. It is not same as on the earth. They were not real. Arivu exclaimed. Even the water? Of course. Because in Mars, we get rain only by burning the fuels. Fuels means an energy source for engines. Okay, once more I read. Fuels means an energy source for engines. But on earth, do you know, children, how do you get rain on earth? Anybody? How do you get rain? Very good. If we get water from the rain, it was natural and it was free for everybody. She said, Grandpa. She was very angry because grandfather is always telling something about the earth. So she was very angry and said, enough of your stories about the earth. Okay, next. But adapting to Mars is very difficult, no? Grandfather replied her. We are fighting for things which we get easily. What we got on earth easily, now they are fighting to get the things. So he was very sad. Okay students, understand? Next para, I read it first. He continued, in the earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa. In Mars, 687 days make a year. He smiled. Ha ha. Yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now, we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Ha, let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Okay, shall I explain? Okay, students, listen carefully. He continued, in the earth, we did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Do you have a space suit or a carrying on oxygen cylinder always, children? Is there any need? No, because the air is fresh and we are breathing the air. So, there is no need for the oxygen cylinder. But here on Mars, they have to wear as space suit and it always carry an oxygen cylinder. and also the years there were long in Mars. How many days make a year on earth? Anybody? How many days in a year? Very good. There are 365 days in a year. But in Mars, we have 687 days. Okay. Next para. Grandpa thought himself, oh God, we had destroyed our home. Destroyed means damage. We destroyed the home which nature had given us. Now we are trying to make this our home. This means Mars. Arivu looked at him because her grandfather was very sad now. She consoled. Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Terraform means they are making the place like Earth. And he said, true, but nothing can be the Earth. Whatever we do, it won't be like the Earth. Okay. Now, let us leave it. We will celebrate birthday. Okay. Okay, students. Did you understand this lesson, students? Okay. Shall we read the meanings? Okay, students. Fuels. An energy source for engines. An energy source for engines. Adapting. Readjust. Adapting. Readjust. Survival. To remain alive. To remain alive. Scientist. An expert in science. An expert in science. Okay, students. Thank you.